our anti-fatigue mats were outdated, dilapidated, a big old mix of different vendors, different materials, um, different sizes. We actually had a site safety team that we would do infrequent audits around different departments and areas, and we would try to attempt to correct and address situations where we would find mats taped together, different materials, trying to have a smooth transition for whoever's working in that area. So that was an opportunity for us to address that in a ergonomic way and a cost-effective way as well. We actually got a here's what we're capable of type of offer from you all for one of our new production lines. And once that was on the floor, it kind of spread like wildfire. I offered up many different departments to come, check out, review the new mat, how easy it was to install, the consistency, the quality, but also how well it felt to stand on the mat. And again, many different areas started requesting AcroMat. So that's kind of where I kind of spearheaded that project to upgrade the site as we can from a cost standpoint, but also from an urgency regarding, hey, this area's mats are being taped together. These areas mats have been neglected for a long period of time. So that's how we got introduced to AcroMat. Yes, I've gotten a lot of positive feedback, mainly from the operators, saying how they appreciate, people taking the time and or personnel taking the time to provide a quality mat for them to stand on. Because at the end of the day, our operators, our technicians that are on their feet are doing most of the work that allows us to provide a quality product to our customers. So if we can make sure our people feel appreciated, just doing their day-to-day job, I think that goes a long way for boosting the morale, especially given our current environment with, high demand, long hours, that type of situation. But also the supervisors for those departments, because of, they experience a morale boost for their employees. That's a morale boost for them as well. They're people leaders. So if their people are happy, they're happy type of situation.